Hey, keto athletes and very active people, have you ever wondered why you feel tired, crampy, or drained even while doing keto perfectly? Well, the answer might not be carbs, it might be electrolytes. Point number one, keto changes your electrolyte needs. When you switch to keto, your body undergoes a major shift. It's not just about cutting carbs. Your insulin levels drop, which is great for burning fat, but it also signals your kidneys to flush out water. And with that, you lose important electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. That's why so many people experience symptoms like fatigue, dizziness, headaches, and muscle cramps, especially in the first few weeks. It's not keto flu because your body is broken. It's because you're missing the minerals your body truly needs to function at its best. If you don't stay ahead of electrolyte loss, your energy, endurance, and recovery would take a major hit. Point number two, why generic electrolytes don't work. Most store-bought electrolyte drinks are made from high-carb athletes and are packed with sugar. They have the wrong balance for keto lifestyles. You need higher sodium, smart potassium, and a clean magnesium source without getting kicked out of ketosis. Point number three, customized electrolytes equals better energy and recovery. Today, there are electrolyte blends made specifically for keto, and they're a total game changer. These customized formulas are sugar-free, perfectly balanced for a low-carb lifestyle, and packed with the right levels of sodium, potassium, and magnesium your body really needs. When you use targeted electrolytes, you'll feel a real difference. A stronger workout, faster recovery, fewer muscle cramps, and better all-day energy. It's one of the simplest upgrades you can make to not just survive keto, but absolutely thrive with it, both in the gym and in your everyday life. If you're truly serious about thriving on keto, not just surviving, start targeting your electrolytes. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel, how much stronger you perform, and how much faster you recover. Smash that like button if you've ever battled keto fatigue. And drop a comment if you want me to share my favorite electrolyte picks. And if you found this helpful, subscribe to my channel for more real keto tips, recipes, and strategies to help you succeed every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.